Yeah, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to cover AI visuals, how many ever I would like to, in Power BI. My name is Indira Bandari, and I'm a data platform MVP from New Zealand. Today's agenda is I'll try to cover briefly about what key influences visual is, decomposition tree, smart narratives, and anomaly detection. So let's head in straight into it. Okay, what is key influences visual? The key influences visual is a great choice if you want to find out what are the factors that are affecting a metric that is being analyzed, and also what is the relative importance of these factors. For example, short-term contracts after affect the churn more than long-term contracts, isn't it? So something like that. So let's get into the demo part of it. So here what I have is key influences visual from the visualizations pane here. And what I'm analyzing is a life expectancy metric, and it is being explained by GDP per capita, net national income, people using safety measures, and so on. We can add as many explained by variables as possible. And here for the whole of the country, safe drinking water is proved to be the most influencing factor for life expectancy to decrease. So if you choose a country like New Zealand, watch that the safe drinking water will change to GDP, because that is for it changes by country, so it is dynamically calculating when we change our filters, when we change our parameters, and followed by the percentage of female population. So what does it is influencing by 11%. So you can individually see what kind of impact it is having, and what's the average is, and what kind of factors are doing more. So each of the and also you can also analyze top segments by in the same way. So for global, there are 5 segments that have been identified. In the second segment, GDP per capita. US is greater than 72%, and yeah, so you can analyze those clusters. It's very quick, so I'm just rushing through. So that is the key influences visual. If we go into the next slide, here are some limitations of the key influences visual. Direct query is not supported. If your data source is on direct query, it's not supported, and also live connection to analysis services is not supported. Publish to web is not supported, and it requires .NET Framework 4.6 or higher, and also SharePoint Online embedding is not supported. Now, if we go into the decomposition tree, decomposition tree is as the name suggests, that it lets you visualize data across multiple dimensions like a tree structure, and it automatically aggregates data and enables drilling down into your dimensions in any order. So it's also an AI visual, so you can ask it to find the next dimension automatically, like do you want to know the high value or do you want to know the low value, to drill down into the to drill down into based on the chosen criteria. This makes it a valuable tool for ad hoc exploration and also conducting root cause analysis. And I have just given a how it looks here. I didn't do any demo here. So this is the data visual. This is the visual, which is the decomposition tree. So here what we are trying to analyze is percentage on back order. What is the forecast bias? Accuracy is 5%. If you analyze that further, 5% to less than 5%. Then the demand type is intermittent, and yeah, top is intermittent. Something like that. So you can understand your data and see the root cause analysis of what is causing the percentage back order to increase or decrease. So that's in brief about decomposition tree. And there are some limitations in the for decomposition tree as well. As of now, the maximum number of levels for the tree is 50, and also maximum number of data points that can be visualized at one time on the tree is 5,000. So if you have more than 5,000 values in that particular column, then you won't be able to visualize that. And we also currently the top n per level is set to 10. And the decomposition tree is not supported in the following scenarios. So all these on-premise analysis services and Azure analysis services published to web, and this one doesn't support even Power BI report server. And also the support inside Q&A is also not supported. So if you want to ask in the Q&A percentage of back order decomposition tree, it won't be supported. You will not get the Q&A answer. So going on, smart narratives. This has become generally available in May release of Power BI desktop. And what this does is if you have visuals in a report, this quickly summarizes visuals and reports, and it also provides relevant innovative insights that you can customize. So the smart narratives feature, it automatically creates and updates reports. So you can also format the text. So if I go into the demo here, I have some visuals here in this report showing the GDP by continent, and GDP by year and continent, and also GDP life expectancy. So if we look here, there is a smart narrative visual in the visualization pane. When we click on that, it will create the summary automatically without we being it summarizes the visuals, and also you can format it like bold, or select something and bold it, and also it is dynamically changing. If you can see, if I select Europe and Asia, it has dynamically changed the summary. And also if you want to add custom text to it, so it will add additional text. And then if you want to if you add own stuff, like if you can use the value, and then you can add a metric of that which works from Q&A. Yeah, I think that's it I have for the smart narrative visual. And if we go into next one. Yeah, smart narratives limitations are similar to decomposition tree. On-premise analysis services is not supported. Azure analysis services is not supported. Published to web is not supported, and Power BI report server is not supported. And also pinning to a dashboard in the app is also not supported. Also, there are other limitations which I have not listed here. So sometimes if you have a key influencer visual with a categorical metric or unsummarized numerical field, then you won't get the summary from that particular visual. And also map visual, also you will not get the summary. And also multi-row card. There are quite a few of those limitations as well. Now, next, coming to the coming to where it is, anomaly detection. Okay, so anomaly detection is, it helps you enhance your line charts by automatically detecting anomalies in your time series data. If I play this, it also provides explanations for the anomalies to help with root cause analysis. And here I am creating a line chart for cancellations by purchase date. So yeah, purchase date, and then you need to choose date instead of the automatic hierarchy. So just choose the purchasing date and you will get the nice line like a time series analysis. And now what you can do is if you go into the analyze tab, there is a thing called find anomalies. If you click on that and add a find anomaly instance, the sensitivity is what is the sensitivity of the anomaly that we are trying to find. Usually it is defaulted to 70%, and here you can change the anomaly shape. I took the diamond, and also you can change the color so that it is more visible for the audience, whoever is using it. And also you can change the expected range style if you want to, and also the expected range transparency, which is quite useful if you are having colors close to. Notice the difference here. Once I change the once I change this thing, you can see the color difference here. That way you can identify. And then once you do these changes, you can click on a point, and then it will show you the anomalies, possible explanations for the anomalies. Here it is showing age group 50 to 65 is the anomaly, with a loyalty card no, and promo code no, and the strength is 55% and 52%. So you can use, based on this, you can use the explain by in the anomalies, and then you can add those two fields into the explain by. And then once you do that, you can click on another anomaly. Yeah, I'm also adding promo code, I think. Yeah, because it's more than 50%. So I tried to apply that. So now what you can do is just close the anomalies, and then you can choose one more anomaly. And then if you click on the age group, it will show a separate visualization. Cancellations was unusually high, which may have lifted the cancellations total. You can add that particular visual to the report and then adjust accordingly.
Indira?
And yeah,
I'm
so
afraid,
that is
afraid your time is running out now.
Yeah,
if you
almost
could just
done.
wrap up, please. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. And now, yeah, anomaly detection limitations are, it supports only line charts with time series data, and needs at least 4 data points. And Power BI report server is not supported, and drilling down isn't supported. So thank you so much, and here are my contact details.